Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a job post on Upwork. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who are trying to go ahead and edit an existing job post on Upwork. How do you actually go ahead and do that? Maybe you want to add more details, maybe you want to change the pay rate. Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But what you're first going to do is that you're going to log into your Upwork account. And then you're going to find the job post which you want to edit. Next, you want to click on these three dots next to your job post, and then click on Edit Posting. Now, once you've done that, you're going to see that you're able to edit the title, you're able to edit your description. You're also able to edit the categories, skills, the location, the budget, screening questions. You can edit practically everything. And then once you've made your changes, you want to scroll all the way down to where it says Save Job Post, and then click on Save Job Post. And so once that's done, it's going to allow you or give you a confirmation that you've gone ahead and edited your job post successfully. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and edit a job post on Upwork. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.